This morning, I went to get my foot professionally measured by the good people at Men's Wearhouse. Unfortunately, all the employees were busy with paying customers, so I ended up doing it myself. I got a really good measurement, then I put the shoe back on, took some steps in it, made sure it was feeling right, and it was. So why did I do all this? It's for you. I want to get you the best, most up-to-date information, and as you know, as you get older, the body, it goes through so many changes. Things start getting longer. They definitely start getting softer. And I wanted to make sure that my shoe size was exactly the same as it was when I started this show. I have been wearing this shoe a lot. I've been wearing it in a US 10.5. After the measuring, I can confirm I still am a US 10.5, so that's the good news. But there's even better news. I thought I was gonna leave that store without getting a professional opinion. Turns out that on my way out, I saw an employee who had a bit of free time, so I approached her and we had the most incredible conversation about shoe sizing. So I'm gonna play that for you right now. This toe is closer. Is that okay, as long as it feels fine?
As long as it feels fine, yeah. Because you have to be able to walk in them and be comfortable.
So you would say this is probably the fine size?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
It's always such a mystery getting that shoe size right. And it's terrible having the wrong fitting shoe.
Yeah, well, women have the same problem. And a lot of times we suffer more than men.
I believe it. I went through a phase where I would get shoes that were too small for some reason. I think it screwed me up.
Could have. I mean, I don't think it did any permanent damage because most of the time the only permanent damage that can be done to something like that is when you're little.
Well, thank you so much.
Sure.
I feel a sense of relief knowing I was on the right path.
There you go, yeah.
So there you have it, the Yeezy 700, confirmed by not only me, but a professional at Men's Wearhouse. True to size.